Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete an Uber account. After opening your Uber application, locate and tap the 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture to access the main menu. Scroll down through the options, then gently tap the Help section. This will open a new screen with various support categories, guiding you towards managing your account settings effectively and efficiently. Once inside the Help menu, carefully look for Account Settings or a similar option, such as Account Management. Tapping this selection reveals further choices for your profile. Among these, you will clearly see a specific link or button explicitly labeled Delete My Account. Proceeding here is the crucial next step in your account deletion journey. You will be asked to confirm your choice to delete the account. It is important to understand that confirming this action will permanently remove all your ride history, saved payment methods, and personal data associated with your profile. After your confirmation, a 30-day waiting period officially begins, allowing a brief window before full deactivation. Your account will remain in an inactive state for roughly 30 days following your initial deletion request. This period serves as a grace window for you. If you happen to change your mind during these 30 days, simply logging back into your account will reactivate it. However, if you do not log in again within that full 30-day span, your account will then be permanently deleted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.